Finna get him. You hear that? Ah. Hold on. Hold on. We lost. Too bad. Okay. Now I've been sitting in my room. I've been thinking about some honeys. I don't know about you, but I gotta get that money. I've been thinking about getting settled down. Jacksonville, this is my town. I'm from the south side, on the west side. I just moved, but y'all not on my rest. Because I put you to the test. Because I don't know about you, but I don't think I'm the best. I just started rapping. I forgot about that breakdown. This is my town. I don't know you, but the world goes round and round. Okay. What? Oh, I forgot what I was rapping. You ain't nothing when snapping. I don't know about you, but I'ma take a tub in the bath. I know my math. Come to my class, and I'm a actor. I've been chilling in my room, 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 chilling in my room. I've been chilling in my room. I'm chilling in my room. I'm watching TV. It's a commercial. Oh, I'm killing them. I got that swag on. Swag. Oh, okay. I'm finna rap for real. Okay. I'm a lover, not a fighter. You can't mess with me cause I'm a typewriter. I be dealing on the laptop and I be typing on my laptop. Oh, bass guy. Oh my gosh. Swag. Looking boy. Woo! Shout out to Young Jock. You already know what I'm talking about. Southside. What? Okay, got the liquor snapback. You don't know what you, but I'm bringing it back. I'm not Tupac, I'm bringing it back. Make roster some. I don't want a snack. I don't know you, but I'm breaking back. Oh.